Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to confirm Facebook identity confirmation. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app right here or Facebook website right here. And then once we are now right here on the Facebook website, all we have to do next is to go on the top right corner and then click your profile icon. Once you click that, click Settings and Privacy, which is right here. And then after that, click the Settings icon. And then once you click Settings icon, click this See More in Account Center, which is located on the left screen. Once you click that, you will be redirected to another tab. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click Personal Details. And then after that, click Identity Confirmation, which is right here. And after that, just click Get Started. And then after that, you can choose a reason, which is running for ads about social issues, elections, or politics to protect your account, or you can choose none of the above. So I will just choose this one right here. So click this one. Then after that, just choose the country from which you're from. So let's say for example, you're from Mexico. Just click that and then click Get Started. And then after that, just click Yes and Continue. And then Facebook is going to turn on two-factor authentication, and then it will require you to submit a personal ID for them to verify. So just click Next and then click Continue again. Then after that, you can now choose whether authentication app or text messages is your security method, and then also prepare a valid ID so that you can verify your identity to Facebook. And then after that, Facebook will now automatically verify your identity on Facebook and you will now be good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.